Social media is a level playing field. I tell my students that all the time. I have a slide, a picture of a football game that I took, the Harvard-Yale football game, Harvard Stadium, and the two teams are about ready to play the game. Two teams are on the side of the field, their respective sides. And I say it's a level playing field. Any team can win, and that's how it is on social media. You don't have to be a big brand. You don't have to be a celebrity. You too can have a large, loyal network of followers, fans, friends. You just have to be conspicuous in your presence on social media, day in and day out, on as many channels as possible. You need to share your journey, document your day, share pictures, videos, text, anything and everything that tells people, illustrates to people who you are, what you are doing, where you are, who you are with. People are interested in what you have to say. People are interested in seeing you. You are the star of your own show. You have to believe that. You have to believe in yourself. You have to have this high degree of self-esteem. That's why I tell my students, and that's why I'm telling you, build your personal brand on social media. People will follow you. People do care about you. People look up to you. People admire you. People respect you. People will support you because you, like my students, are a rock star.